What's good, and welcome back to the channel for another edition of FPV Fears. In this episode, I'm going to talk about the fear of hitting people. Now, this mostly relates to 5-inch quads or other quads larger than my hand, but even these little guys or little tiny whoops or whatever can pose dangers. Now, I hit a guy on a bike with one of these. I mean, he's alright. Just a bad scrape on the leg and probably one hell of a bruise. Bacon Ninja hit a bird.
And that is not how you should end a freestyle.
Supposedly it lived. And people accidentally arm their quads and chop their fingers off all the time. Check it out.
Now the funeral is over, and all the tears are dried up. Niggas hanging teeth on the cut, getting fired up. Looking for the niggas.
Alright, so it ain't chopping off whole fingers, I don't think. But if you go on Google or Reddit, you can see some pretty gruesome injuries. And it's because of this that we typically try to fly in places with little to no NPC traffic or non-participating characters, such as people, cars, and wildlife, because they can seemingly come out of nowhere, and it's scary as shit when you hit someone or even if you have a close call. So the moral of the story is fly safe out there and always try to have a visual observer to help out with situational and environmental awareness. Now, with all that being said, let's get into some footage of me practicing this FPV shit right here.
Media idol, most forward and fiber. Moonwalking like Michael, skating in a rider. Big bang, fat million cloud, yeah. Got this a viral like a fever. Make DIY divas, make overnight beaver. So influencers and diggers, smoke it like cigars, bunnies and blingers. Who pours real in a Rari, who in a Audi, and rip it down a Sardi. Who better than Claudia, who feisty like Cardi. So me a go blaze big fire like Georgie. Viral, viral, mama me go viral. Viral, viral, papa me go viral. And me say viral, viral, mama me go viral. Me say viral, viral, papa me go viral. Many ton challengers make challenges. Ice water cranes, millennials love the energy. The whole of IG attack it and take me fi pose like hobby, so you get with me a pray. I who a feed pan scandal, sex sellers them rampant, rooms book out like sandals. Who nyam the pokey like Sheng Sang, who freak out like stallion, fi get the medallion. Viral, viral, mama me go viral. Papa me go viral, mama me a go viral, papa me a go viral. It's over, voice over, TikTok on the hour, whenever all over, and I look on a post, yeah. So everybody want go viral, be a media idol, most forward on TikTok. Moonwalking like Michael, skating in a rider, but papa na go do that. Viral.